Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add characters to your book on the Novelist application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just select the book. At the left bar you can find the plot, and in the upper bar you can find the third option, the characters. If you want to add the new characters description, click to the plus icon. You can add the title for that. You can add the synopsis, and if you finish, click to the save button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.